Good morning.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
Okay, good. I'm fine, thank you. It's so glad to see you here. Okay, before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Okay, then, first of all, I will check your attendance. Is everybody here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So, today we are gonna learning about square. Do you know what is square? No?
No,
Okay. So, before we start our lesson, we'll give you the indicators and the language objective of our learning today. So, the content objective is right here. You can see. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the content objective itself is identify the area and perimeter. In Indonesia, we call it luas and keliling persegi. And then student will be able to solve and the contextual problem using a square area and square perimeter. And then for the language objective, we have 4 language objectives. They are used as imperative sentence during the classroom activities, and then use the method to solve the problem, contextual problem itself for square. And then the third is determine the true characteristic of square. And for the last one is draw the square and present into the others. Okay. And then this is video, so because you don't know what is square, I have the video to help you find the things form like square. So here's the video.
Hello, kids. I am a square.
Everybody
I
can
have
hear?
4 sides,
Yes, ma'am.
and all 4 are the same length. Can you see the alphabet cube? What's the shape of its faces? Each face is a square with 4 equal sides.
What is it? Is it a cube? What is it?
It's a square.
Wow, I can see a gift box here. All of its faces are square in shape, just like me.
So gift box is also a square, right?
Wow, here comes a sandwich.
Yeah.
What's the shape of this sandwich?
It's
You're
a
right,
sandwich.
it's a
In Indonesia,
square.
We call it roti nisi.
Yes, ma'am.
I can see a dice coming my way.
So this is
I know
dice.
that you all can tell me the shape of its
Playing
faces.
Monopoly.
Yes, they are
You
square.
see dice, right? Dice is the two. Yes, ma'am.
We have another big box.
Okay, big
Well,
box.
let's see what shape it is. I guess it's a square. Yes, it's a square with all 4 sides of the same length. Oh, here comes our friend the clock. What shape is it? It's a perfect square.
Yeah. for
Oops,
square.
the clock
Square.
tells me it's time to move on. See you later.
Yep. Okay, for the next is about characteristic of square. So, do you have any question for the form of square around you? No?
Is door a square, ma'am?
No, there is not a square. So there are characteristics of square. Number 1 is square always has 4 right angles. And number 2, all sides of square are equal in length and opposite sides are parallel. And for the last one is the diagonal of a square are equal in length and bisect each other at right angles. After it, we can learning about the area of square. It is the video about the area and the perimeter for square. And then for the terminologies and vocabularies, we have technical vocabularies such as perimeter, In Indonesia, we say keliling. And then rhombus. In Indonesia, we say bulat. Parallel. You can say parallel. Parallel. In Indonesia, it's mean. So after you know the technical vocabulary for square and area and perimeter of area, you can learn how to find.
We're going to solve the area and perimeter of a square. So remember that a square has all equal sides all the way around. So if this is 4, then this side is 4. If this bottom is 4, then this top is also 4. Remember that the formula for the area of a square is length times width. So the length is going to be how long it is, so it's 4 inches, times its width, which is also 4 inches. And 4 times 4 is 16. So the area of this shape, or this square, is 16 square inches. All right, for the perimeter, we need to add all the sides. Since there's 4 sides, we need to add all 4. We're going to do 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Or a faster thing to do is just to do 4 times 4, which is 16. So the perimeter is 16.
Okay, let's do the cooperative learning. Here I use team, pair, solo procedure. So I will compile you into one group. One group consists of 4 students. So here's I have the exercise that you have to done right here. You see it? I can give it to you later on. And then so here's the question. You can answer it. Remember? Yeah. Yeah, let's do it. Just answer it. Okay, now we will discuss our exercise. So for question number 1, the answer is 141 centimeter square. And for number 2, a square has a set length of 24 centimeter. What is its perimeter? Yes, 96 centimeter. And for the third question, the perimeter answer is 6025 centimeter square. And for number 4, the area of square is 52 centimeters. 52 centimeter, I mean. And then for the last number is proven that you draw and show me your drawing result about drawing a square. So if we said all finished, have the homework for you, this. Okay, I'm gonna review the all materials today that we have learned from the beginning, middle, until the end. So in the beginning, we talk about the indicators and learning objective, and then characteristic of square. You you also watch the video about the form of square around you, like sandwich, cube, dice, big box, and many others. And then we also learn about how to find the area and perimeter. You also know the formula, and you also answer the question, the sixth question, right? And then after we just discuss the question, the sixth question with the correct answer. And then I'll give you the homework later on. Please submit it to me in my desk. And yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for your participation and your attention. Have a great day.